Okay, so today we're going to be working on problem number 47. Problem number 47 involves finding the area of irregular shapes. Now the thing about irregular shapes is that most of these irregular shapes are composed of other regular shapes. So for example, a combination of rectangles, a combination of squares. They might even throw in there half circles or even quarter circles. And a quarter circle is exactly that. It's a quarter section, 1/4 of a circle. So you would find the area of a circle divided by 4. So, you know, things like that, a combination of those things are made up to compose irregular shapes. Now, in this case, problem number 47 has several different shapes, and the one that most kids do not use because they're not really comfortable with the formula is the formula of a trapezoid. And the formula of a trapezoid is base 1 plus base 2, then you divide it by 2. After you find that out, you multiply it times the height of the trapezoid. From the bottom of the base to the top of the base, that is the height of a trapezoid. And again, most kids don't use that and because they're not comfortable with it. So I wanted to make sure that I teach you the area of a trapezoid and so that you can understand it. So today Mr. Cruz and William are going to be working this problem out, and really pay close attention to how they solve this problem, because again, it's one of those that is not impossible to figure out without knowing the area of a trapezoid, but it is good information to have. Okay, so without further ado, Mr. Cruz and William.
Okay, well, we have this shape here, and the question asks, what is the area of this logo? So if we look at the shape right away, we know that we have to divide it in other shapes that we know. So what we first want to do is that we recognize that there's a square in here, and then we have two trapezoids. So we'll start off with the equation for a trapezoid for the area, which is area equals base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2 times the height. Okay. So if we look at the dimensions of this first trapezoid, we see that they're the same. So we see the first base and the second base is both going to be 25. So we'll just put that in. So this will be 25 plus 25 divided by 2. And then the height of the shape, we could say this is the height right here. So that would be 4. So if you want to continue the work there. So what we're going to do is we're going to first add these 25s together. So it'll be 50 divided by 2. So it's going to be 25. And then we're going to do 25 times 4, which is 100. Okay. So that's going to be the area of one of these trapezoids. So we can put in here. It's 100 feet squared. And the same thing would be for this one. And now we just got to find the area of this of the square in the middle. So we all know the equation for a square is just base times height, or side times length. So that's going to be 25. So it's going to be 25 feet squared. So the only thing we have to do now is just add all those areas together so we can find the total area of the shape. So it's going to be 100 plus 100 plus 25. And our final answer will be 225 feet squared. Okay. And that will be our final answer. And I believe that is answer B on the mock test. Thank you.